Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at two powerful ways to combine text in Excel, the concatenate function and the AND operator. Let's dive in. The concatenate function allows you to join up to 30 text items into one string. It's especially useful when you need to combine multiple cells. For example, if we have first names in column A and last names in column B, we can use concatenate to combine them into a full name. Here's how you do it. Type equal concatenate A2, B2 and press enter. This formula combines the first name in cell A2 and the last name in cell B2. To add a space between them, we can modify the formula A2, double quotes, space, double quotes, B2. One of the strengths of concatenate is its clear structure, which can make it easier to read when dealing with many text items. On the other hand, the AND operator is a more flexible and often quicker way to combine text. You simply use the symbol between the text items you want to join. Using the same example, we can combine the first name and last name like this, equal A2 and double quotes, space, double quotes, and B2. This achieves the same result as concatenate, combining the first name in cell A2, a space, and the last name in cell B2. One advantage of the AND operator is its simplicity. You can easily mix it with other functions. For example, you can use it in an if statement to create conditional text. Equal if d2 greater or equal than 50, A2 and double quotes, space, double quotes, and B2 and double quotes, dash, pass, double quotes, A2 and double quotes, space, double quotes, and B2 and double quotes, dash, fail, double quotes, and hit enter. This formula combines the first name and last name and adds either pass or fail based on the value in cell D2. To sum up, both concatenate and AND operator are powerful tools for combining text in Excel. Try them out and see which one you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching and have a good day.